Building an email list is one of the most reliable ways to grow an online business. It allows you to communicate directly with your audience, build trust, and promote products or services over time. However, creating an effective lead generation system is often difficult for beginners and time-consuming for experienced marketers. You need a landing page, a lead magnet, and a sequence of follow-up emails, and each part must be properly designed and connected. DFY Lead Pages was created to simplify this entire process. DFY Lead Pages is a done-for-you lead generation system that provides complete, ready-to-use email funnels. Instead of building everything from scratch, users receive professionally designed lead capture pages, ready-made lead magnets, and pre-written follow-up email sequences. This allows you to launch a functional funnel quickly without needing advanced technical skills. The lead pages included in DFY Lead Pages are designed using proven conversion principles. They focus on clear messaging, simple layouts, and strong calls to action. These pages are built to capture visitor attention and encourage email signups. The lead magnets work alongside these pages by offering visitors something valuable in exchange for their contact information, which increases the likelihood of subscription. Once a visitor subscribes, the follow-up emails take over. These emails are structured to introduce your brand, provide helpful information, and prepare subscribers for future offers. This automated communication helps maintain engagement and builds long-term relationships with your audience without requiring daily manual effort. The system is cloud-based, meaning there is nothing to install and no hosting to manage. You log into the platform, choose a funnel, and publish your page. From there, you can send traffic from social media, blogs, YouTube, or paid advertising. When a visitor enters their email address, the system automatically delivers the lead magnet and starts the email sequence. One of the strongest advantages of DFY Lead Pages is its ease of use. Many funnel builders require complicated setups and technical knowledge. DFY Lead Pages focuses on speed and simplicity, making it suitable for users who want results without spending weeks learning new software. This is particularly helpful for beginners who want a structured starting point. DFY Lead Pages can be used in multiple business models. Affiliate marketers can use it to collect leads and promote products. Product creators can use it to build anticipation before a launch. Coaches and consultants can use it to attract potential clients and nurture them through automated communication. Agencies can use it to streamline lead generation for their campaigns. Time efficiency is another key benefit. Creating pages and writing email sequences manually can take days or even weeks. With DFY Lead Pages, much of this work is already completed. This allows you to focus on traffic generation, content creation, and strategy instead of technical setup. Email marketing continues to be one of the highest converting digital marketing methods because it provides direct access to your audience. Unlike social media platforms, where algorithms control visibility, an email list is an asset you own. DFY Lead Pages helps users build this asset faster and with fewer technical barriers. By combining pages, lead magnets, and emails into one system, DFY Lead Pages reduces the need for multiple tools and integrations. This simplifies management and reduces the risk of technical problems. It also helps maintain consistency across your funnel, which improves user experience. In conclusion, DFY Lead Pages is designed to remove complexity from email list building and funnel creation. It provides a structured, ready-made solution that allows users to launch quickly and focus on growth rather than construction. For anyone who wants a practical and efficient way to create lead generation funnels, DFY Lead Pages offers a professional approach that saves time and simplifies the process.